Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Test Card. So today we are here with a new physics question, and this question is basically comes in JEE in 2023. So today we'll solve this question. So let's have a look at the question. Question is, a body of mass 1 kg collides head-on elastically with a stationary body of mass 3 kg. After collision, the smaller body reserves its direction of motion and moves with a speed of 2 meters per second. The initial speed of the smaller body before collision is, so basically we have to find the initial speed of the smaller body before the collision. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. According to the question, a body of mass, एक body है जिसका की mass है 1 kg. ठीक है, so let's say this is the body and इसका जो mass है वो हम मान लेते हैं कि ये है, जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 1 kg. Okay, collides head on elastically with a stationary body. Okay, so the moving speed is u1 and this is the stationary body जिसका कि mass हमें given है 3 kg. So the mass of the stationary body is 3 kg. And here the u is 0 because this is a stationary body. Okay, so after collision the smaller body reserves its direction of motion and moves with a speed of 2 meter per second. So collision मतलब एक दूसरे से टकराने के बाद जो हमारी बॉडीज हैं जो कि उनकी जो स्पीड है 2 मीटर पर सेकंड, ये 1 kg. ओके, सो दूसरी बॉडी है 3 kg, ये हमारी इस डायरेक्शन में भी. ओके, सो अगर हम साइड बाय साइड इन दोनों को सोल्व करें एंड इफ यू सोल्व दिस बॉडीज side by side, so then it will become 1 into u1 is equals to minus of 2 plus 3v minus 2 because it's going in the reverse direction, and for this body of weight 3 kg of mass 3 kg, it's become u1 is equals to minus of 2 plus 3v. So this is our equation first, and from this body v is 1 is equals to v plus 2 upon u1, and it will become v plus 2 is equals to u1, and this is our second equation. Okay, so this is our first equation and this is second equation. So if we solve equation first and second, so if we solve this equation, which is u1 is equals to minus of 2 plus 3v and v is equals to v plus 2 is equals to u1, so our value of u1 is 4 meter per second. Okay, so the initial speed of the smaller body before collision is 4 meter per second, and this is our answer. Thank you.